Teddy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in the filter on a Pontiac Fiero GT. So let's get started. Okay, what you're going to need, first of all, you're going to need a 9/16 socket and ratchet to take the oil pan drain plug out. You're going to need, obviously, the oil to replace it. In this case, it's 5W30 is what it calls for in this vehicle, so that's what we're going to use. And then you'll need the oil filter, and the filter that's used on the Pontiac Fiero GT is the 3387, whether it be the Fram or the generic or whatever you're using, that's the actual part number. So let's go underneath the car so we can go ahead and take the drain plug off and start draining it and get this taken care of. Okay, so here we are underneath the car coming in from the back, and this right here is your oil pan, and that's your the oil pan drain plug right there. So that's what we'll use the 9/16 socket to remove that. So let's go ahead and pop that off so we can start draining it, and then I'll show you where the filter is as well. Coming alongside here, the oil pan, right behind it, you will see right up there is the oil filter. So that's it right there, and to get to it, you'll slide right back here, and you'll get a clear shot of it right here to where you can then grab it and we can get that off. Okay. Looks nice and nice and black and thick. I don't know how old this stuff's been sitting in this car, but definitely the oil change is definitely needed. Here's the filter. Turn that sucker. Be careful, because it's going to start tripping. So, and there we go. Go gentle with that. There we go. Bring that down gently. There we go. And then you can see right there, what I'm going to do is just take a paper towel, clean all that residue off of there, just in case there's any fragments of anything past that's stuck there. So go up there. Clean that off real good. Get any debris off of there. Clean that real good. There we go. And then also make sure that the rubber seal wasn't left behind. Sometimes they can be left behind, and if it is, when you put the new oil filter on there, you'll have a leak going on there, so just make sure that's all nice and clean for a good contact. You can see it all cleaned up there. All the leftover oil has been wiped off. We can clearly see that there's no seal stuck on there or anything. It's all good to go. So now we can go ahead and prep the new filter. Go ahead and screw that on. Here's the new filter. I'll just take a little bit of the clean oil. Just kind of lubricate that seal. There we go. Get that ready so we can put that up there. Okay. We're going to go ahead and screw the new filter in. Get a good contact. You're just going to hand tighten it. Once it gets tight, we'll go ahead and give it a nice rotation by hand. There we go. Okay, the next thing I like to do is on the drain plug, just wipe it off in case there's any fragments or junk on there. Get it all cleaned off. There we go. All nice and clean. Wipe off the little gasket seal as well. Get any debris, especially with the car this old. Only God knows what kind of crap is in there, but there we go. Looks a lot better. So now we're ready to go ahead and plug that back up and refill it. Drain plug has been put back on. We cleaned up all around it, any of the residue from the old oil that was dripping through. So let's head up top and start refilling it and wrap this up.
Well, that pretty much wraps up our video for today on how to change the oil and the filter on a Pontiac Fiero GT. Please send any questions, any comments. As always, we appreciate your support. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.